Today we're here at the picnic tables over by the exit of Knott's Berry Farm, and we're here to kind of uncan this thing we found at 80 World in Yermo, California. It's called Funko Soda Figurines. And this is supposed to be Quisp from the cereals many, many years ago. So you should be able to pop this top off. There we go. And here's the little guy. So open? No, not an open bag. Okay, here we go. Ah, and he's in bubble wrap too. Oh, there he is. Quisp, and he's got a little bowl of Quisp cereal. He has a little Q on his belt. So this was $13.50 at Eddie World. I'm not sure if that's a comparable price to everywhere else, but that's how much we paid. And yeah, it's a cute little. Oh wait, hey, what's this? It's like a pog almost. It's got Quisp on one side, and then on the other side it says Funko Soda Figurine Quisp 1 out of 8,400. That's weird because the can says limited edition to 10,000. So we got two different numbers here. Does the bottom come off too? I think the bottom comes off too. So it's a cute little figurine. I think it's plastic. Not suitable for children under 3. That's what it said. So if you like collecting little, figurines from cereals of the past, try to find one of these Funko Soda figurine bottles, I guess you could say, or cans. You could even keep the can too, because it's a pretty nice can. You could use it as like a pencil holder or something. So yeah, that's all there is to that one. So I don't know if I should rate it or anything. So I'm not going to rate it. So just please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So Quisp and I will see you in the next one.